So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who are going for राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल इंटरव्यूज। दोस्तों आज जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं सभी बेस्ड रहेंगे एसएसटी रिलेटेड, जिसमें हिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा, ज्योग्राफी क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा होंगे और सिविक्स क्वेश्चंस। तो मुझे लगता है कि आज का सेशन हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफी बेनिफिट होने वाला है। तो सबसे पहले मैं वेलकम करता हूं मिस्टर रोहित को।
Yes sir, good evening sir.
रोहित, here we have Kajol, she will be accompanying me in this interview. Okay?
Yes sir.
चलिए मिस्टर रोहित, एसएसटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है, सारे ध्यान रखिए।
Yes sir.
The Home Rule League was started by
Sir बाल गंगाधर तिलक.
Okay, Mahatma Gandhi was first arrested during Satyagraha in the year
Sir 1908.
Okay, which British Governor General introduced postage stamp in India?
Sir Lord Dalhousie.
Who is called the father of Indian National Congress?
Sir A.O. Hume.
Cabinet mission came to India in the year?
Sir 1946.
Who was the chairman of the Partition Council?
Sir Lord William Bating.
Lord Mountbatten it was. Okay, he
Yes,
was.
sir.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was called as Mahatma first time by?
Sir Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay. Who was the author of the book My Experiment with Truth?
Sir Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India?
Sir Siraj Gopalachari.
In which state was the first non-Congress government set up in independent India?
Sir Kerala.
Okay. The first General Secretary of Indian National Congress was?
Sir pardon please.
The first General Secretary of Indian National Congress was?
Sir A.O. Hume.
Yes. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India?
Sir Dadabhai Naoroji.
The Indian National Congress has passed the famous resolution of non-cooperation in 1920 at its session held at?
Sir Kolkata.
Very good. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress?
Sir Annie Besant.
Very good. High courts were established in Calcutta, Mumbai, Madras in the year?
Sir 1861.
Okay. मुंबई का पुराना नाम क्या था?
Sir Bombay.
Okay, it was Bombay.
Yes.
Chaliye, now I'm handovering this session to Kajol and she will be asking you questions.
Yes, sir.
Please Kajol, have your questions.
Sure, sir. Tell about your strength.
Sir ma'am, my strength are I am a disciplined person.
Okay, or your weakness?
Sir ma'am, my weakness are I need improve my handwriting.
Okay, मुझे बताइए कि लोकसभा can have a maximum of how many members? लोकसभा.
Sir 552.
Okay, and Rajya Sabha can have maximum of how
Sir.
many members?
Sir 250.
Okay. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857?
Sir Lord Canning.
It is Lord Canning.
Canning.
दोबारा बताइए.
Sir Lord Canning.
Okay, Canning. Who was the last Governor General of India?
Sir Siraj Gopalachari.
Okay, already आपने अच्छा जवाब दिया था पहले भी. Who represented India in the second round table conference?
Sir Sarojini Naidu.
Great. Who declared as his ultimate aim of every tear from every eye?
Sir Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
The first Viceroy and Governor General of British India was?
Sir Lord Canning.
Okay. Vallabhbhai Desai most memorable achievement was his defense of the Indian National Army INA personnel at the Red Fort trial towards the end of which year?
Sir 1945.
When was the All India Women Conference founded?
Sir 1927.
Okay. When did the British make English the medium of instruction in India?
Sir 1835.
Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle?
Sir Lokmanya Tilak.
The Quit India movement was launched in 1942 in the month of?
Sir pardon please.
The Quit India movement was launched in 1942 in the month of?
August.
Okay. The civil disobedience movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in the year?
Sir 1930.
Very good. Who was the first Indian to become the member of British Parliament?
Sir Dadabhai Naoroji.
Who was the only Indian to be elected as President of the United Nations General Assembly?
Sir Vijay Lakshmi Pandit.
Good. In which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located?
Sir Rajasthan.
India's area is about times larger than Pakistan. How many times?
Sir 4.
4 times. Please Kajol, you can ask more questions.
Sure, sir. Rohit, tell about
Yes.
why military school?
Ma'am, it is my aim to make my career in army, and for that environment which will motivate me to join the Indian army and serve my motherland. I have learned from my parents that if if health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. And the motto of military school is Silam Param Bhushanam, which means character is the highest virtue. And I want to become an army officer.
Okay. Mansarovar Lake is situated in?
Sir, China.
Okay. And Kanchenjunga is situated in?
Sir, Sikkim.
Okay. Which one of the following is the second highest peak of the world?
Sir, K2.
Okay. In terms of area, India is the largest country of the world.
Sir, 7.
Seventh largest.
Yes, sir.
The famous lagoon lake in India is?
Sir, Chilka Lake.
Okay. Chilka Lake is located where?
Sir, Odisha.
Palk Strait is situated between
Sir,
countries?
in India and Sri Lanka.
Okay. And between Pakistan and India, what is the line we call?
Sir, Red Khalif Rekha.
Okay. And China and India?
Sir, McMahon.
Okay. India share longest international boundary with which country?
Sir, Bangladesh.
Which river of India is called Vrida Ganga?
Sir, Godavari.
Okay. Where is Khyber Pass situated?
Sir, Pakistan.
And Loktak is a?
Lake, sir.
Okay. India desert is called?
Sir, Thar.
Which Indian state has the largest coastline?
Sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Which one of the following state has the longest coastline?
Sir, Gujarat.
In the northeast of the Deccan Plateau is the?
Sir, Chota Nagpur Pathar.
Okay. The largest brackish water lake of India is the state of?
Sir, Odisha.
Okay. The highest peak in India is?
Sir, Kanchenjunga.
Okay. So as many questions I have asked, almost I brought 50 questions for you regarding history. Civics I have brought hardly few questions, but remaining geography also you answered very well. Now I want to know about your family. Please tell about your family.
Sir, we are 6 members in my family.
Okay.
My father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife. I have 3 siblings, my 2 brothers and 1 sister is presently studying.
Okay. So you want to become an army officer, right?
Yes, sir.
So why you opted army? What is the reason?
Sir, I want to become an army officer because it is prestigious profession.
Oh.
It is a matter of pride for me to wear army dress. I motivate me. I love challenges as I am a competitive boy.
But
and
the Air Force and Navy, they are also good. So why don't you join those? उनमें भी तो prestigious है job है वो भी तो.
yes, sir.
Then why don't you join Air Force? Why only Army?
Sir, although our 3 defense services are best in my eye, yet my preference is army because army is work in all situations like flood, yes, terrorism and internal security. Indian army is world's 2nd largest. We can get posted Siachen glacier of dangerous area was I love challenges.
Okay, you love challenges. That's why you want to join.
Yes.
Okay, you have given good interview and I'm proud of you. Really, you are going with well. I want to know about your next 7 years plan of life.
Sir, first of all, I would like to join Rashtriya Military School.
Okay.
I will study here with 100% honesty and sincerity.
Okay.
I will participate in each and every activities of my school in 7 years, 10 years. I will like to become a successful officer of my nation.
Okay, so definitely you will, and we are proud of you. Today you have gained a good knowledge. Okay, keep it up. Nice.
Thank you, sir.